What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? We're going out to Pine Strawberry this weekend to go camping. Woke up this morning with a dead battery. I'm gonna overlay a clip right here, so check it out. Yeah, shout out to MagnaFlow for hooking it up with this jumpstart kit. Rich over there is dope, so check out his Instagram as well. Yeah, we're gonna start making our way over to Pine and then up to Strawberry. That puppy stomach. Oh, poor guy. You gonna eat it? Mm. Oh, shit. Cup holder. He's on a special. So right here we decided to pop the awning and have a bite to eat before we started our trek to find our camp spot. Hopefully we can find a good spot up here. It is Saturday, so it might be pretty busy, but we're gonna try to find something cool. Sweet.
Cockadoo.
Cockadoo.
Cockadoo air freshener. Smells great.
Here we go. Right in the needle, boys. Right in the needle. Man, thing's already scratched as shit.
It's Mario Kart.
Mario Kart. I think we're about to roll up on a good spot, hopefully here. It looks like the trees are freeing up. Get an outlook view.
Up here. No, you're not going up there.
Why not?
There's no...
It looks like that's the spot.
Well, you can go both ways.
You want to go right or left?
I don't have my maps up, so
oh, it connects.
I just want a sick view. I want to wake up in the morning and like be on a cliff with the view, so probably left.
Because it connects.
I think we found a good one. Oh, there's people up here already.
Where do you see people?
Top left.
Does this road go for a while though? Or what?
It does. It loops, so maybe.
It loops around. We'll try to go around here. Getting a little rocky. Dude, this is the spot. Hopefully no one's up here. Woo! Look at that, guys.
Dude, I'm like struggling right now.
Dude.
Okay, talk to the subscribers.
All right, guys, we found a camp spot over here at Rim Road, unnamed location.
What?
This is why we do this right here. Look at this beautiful view.
Wow.
Back up. We just got to camp. We just got this beautiful overlook spot over in here in Pine Strawberry off Forest. What the hell is it called? Rim Road. Yeah, we just got a beautiful spot off Rim Road. We got the tent set up and everything over here. We're just kind of hanging out, drinking beers, talking shit. And I put the Rome steps on, soft steps. Shout out to this guy right here. Shout out to this guy right here. He gave me the Rome steps for my birthday. So we put those on there. Yeah, I'll show you guys camp, what we're doing. Okay, here we go. We got the 23 Colorado on 35s, D71 up on the traction boards. The Rome tent out. This is our beautiful spot right here. We got Adam's Tacoma. What is it, 2018? 2018 Tacoma.
Yes, sir.
With some Nitto Ridge grapplers. Then we got Moku right there hanging out on his bed.
Moku.
Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. He's the one that threw up on the trail earlier today.
Yeah.
Poor guy. And then we got Finn over here. We're just kind of hanging out.
Hey, come here.
Just kind of hanging out. Oh, teeter-totter. What do you think of this spot, babe?
I think it's nice, but I like the rope that's like obscuring all of my
Oh,
view.
I'll fix that.
That's really great.
Lily, what do you think of this camp spot?
I love it.
You love it?
Can't wait
Pretty
for
fab.
the sunset and to watch the sunrise.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty bad.
We'll see how the wind does tonight.
Oh, yeah, we'll see. We'll probably be
Not bad right now.
blown away. Yummy. Carnitas. What are you making over there, mister?
Check it out.
All right, let's check out what we're making over here.
Come look at my meat.
Oh, look at your meat. Check out your meat.
Moku's salivating over here.
Mmm. Look at this. Ooh, what steak?
Yes, sir.
Yummy.
Look at that.
Damn.
Right?
Where those juices go. Ooh. Mmm. Yummy. Yeah, look at that view. Dang. What do you think right there?
Yummy.
Give it a bite. Yummy?
Yeah.
Good? No?
Yeah. How is it?
Check it out. We got some carnitas with some mozzarella cheese. A little Rojos. Hernandez. Cabrera. Street sauce. Original.
Delicious, huh?
Good old Good old Keystone Hunting Edition.
Hunting edition, that's what it's called?
One thing you took after your dad, I see, is the Keystone Light, huh?
You know what?
Yep.
Water.
You can drink as many as you want. You never get too fucked up. You never get too full. You just keep drinking all day.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather drink one and be good. Maybe two.
I'd rather drink all day like an alcoholic and not get too fucked up.
If you drink Keystones, you don't have to drink water?
Mm-mm.
Makes sense.
I learned that from my dad.
Lives by that.
Yeah. That's his actual, like...
I learned that from my old man.
What? Don't
Keystones. Yeah, just Keystones.
If you
I know.
drink Keystones, you don't need water.
I know my dad watches my YouTube, so I love you, Dad. Putting me on the Keystone. You're amazing.
Alright. Action shot.
Mmm. You're full.
Yum. Pippin, what do you think?
On the hatch.
Yummy, huh?
No, the good hatch.
Wilderness, so we're trying out here, but look at this sunset. I found this little trail with the drone, so I'm gonna come check it out. Damn, look at that. Jeez, oh my lord. This is crazy. I just really wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for subscribing to me. You guys are awesome. I couldn't have done it without you. All the support, love, support, everything you guys have done for me. I really appreciate it. I think we're gonna go hang out by the campfire and enjoy the rest of the night.
And we were like sleeping and we heard some guy yelling like a name. And we like found out, yeah, like that, yeah.
Come on. Good morning, mister. They're everywhere over here. The bug spray work?
I folded it. Look. Yeah.
All right, everybody, we're gonna pack up and everything away and hit the road. It's a fun time out here up in Strawberry. All right, guys, this is what camping's all about. Taking a shit with a view. At this point, I was hoping my truck did not have a dead battery again. Pace and get some crispy crunchy chicken at the 76. Got some gas chicken. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching today's video.